For those of you flying into EAA AirVenture at Oshkosh, emergency aircraft repair is a valuable resource to familiarize yourself with in the event you end up having problems with your aircraft upon landing. Here is Emergency Aircraft Repair Chairman Craig Olson with more information about this service.
Greetings. Emergency aircraft repair has been a function of EAA for 62 years. We started with the convention in Rockford, Illinois in 1962, and Chapter 75 volunteers have been supporting the activities since then. We provide tools and advice primarily to home builders who built their own plane and have a repairman certificate, but we also assist certificated aircraft owners who fly into Oshkosh and have a little incident. So we help them with the preventive maintenance activities as defined by the FAA from Appendix A of Part 43. Tires, tubes, brakes, bulbs, belts, and so on. But home builders, we've had rudder repairs, we've had engine issues, we've helped them with fuel issues, a lot of batteries starting, cranking, and obviously if you come at Oshkosh, you're going to see tires and tubes and tail wheels and springs and so on. The chapter's been doing this, as I said, for 60 plus years. We have quite a collection of tools. You can see behind me specialized tools that we bought over the years, and we have additional tools that are on loan from the EAA Weeks hangar that help us facilitate helping pilots to turn an otherwise not great day into a great one to enjoy the air show.
So if someone has a problem, then do they just show up here? What do they need to know if they have a problem?
Yep, if they have a problem, we're located near the Classic Cafe, and folks can come and identify what the problem is. They sign a release and tell us what tools they need to effect the repair. We do have a few A&Ps, but we don't do logbook entries. We're not here to annual your airplane, but if you need assistance, we're here to help you.
Thank you, Craig, for all of the information, and be sure to stop by and thank all of the volunteers from Chapter 75. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so for more videos like these and to follow along as we build our RV-10.